here I have some cold water in the boiler. Add your potatoes to it. Season generous
potassium in your body, then this is a good way to enjoy your potatoes without the excess potassium.
We need some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Next, we need melted butter, olive oil, minced garlic, chopped rosemary, parsley, freshly crushed black pepper, freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now pour the garlic herb mixture onto the potatoes and toss it up.
Middle rack, using the bake option to roast these potatoes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes.
To that I'll be adding my spices, the seasoning, which is some kosher salt, garlic powder, Nashville hot chicken seasoning, and black pepper. I'm also going to add some sage. I'm just going to try to twist it like this, almost like rubbing it, and that is going to help it just pull out all the fragrance and flavor that it has into the buttermilk. And it's here. This actually is air chilled chicken, so it was never frozen. It is the best chicken when you want to do. Typically, I would do it overnight if I was sending salt, about half a teaspoon of salt in here. Remember, there's enough. Then I place my coated pieces of chicken on a baking sheet that I have lined with parchment paper. The parchment paper is going to coat it. My oil is very hot, so I'm just going to go ahead and fry. Looks so good, smells so good. Yes, clearer and thicker, so it's going to need a little bit much more time to cook anyway. So I actually let this cook for a total of almost 13 minutes. It is perfectly cooked, beautifully fried now, a little bit darker than the other parts that I fried earlier because the oil, of course, has some fries. And how perfect. Just look at this, of course. A little bit of greens just to make it pop. After all, what am I doing with all that rosemary if I don't use it to garnish? And there we have it. This is so good. I really hope you are able to try this recipe. It is